We have never seen any serious misappropriation of funds. We have never seen any wrongdoings in their accounts, in their books. Why should we go this way, Madam Speaker? So I want to urge the House that let us not be a country that operates through special funds. Every small thing we want to do, we want to create a special. So with those few remarks, Madam Speaker, I oppose.
The special
Honorable Member for Kadiani, Honorable Bui.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for this opportunity. Madam Speaker, I rise to support the formation of this PFM National Peace Support Operations Fund for the Ministry of Defense. And first, I want to thank the Committee of Delegated Legislation. I'm a member of that committee. I've grown up in the military barracks of Kahawa and also waterworks. And that is why I'm highly disciplined, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, this is very timely, Madam Speaker, because first and foremost, the fund is not requesting for a lot of money from the Exchequer. I think it is only about $1 billion. And then the additional amount will be about 6 billion. So the total amount in that fund will be about 7 billion. Madam Speaker, this is for purposes of enabling Kenya to be able to participate appropriately and properly in peacekeeping missions. Madam Speaker, historically Kenya has been participating in these peacekeeping missions, but over the years, some of our neighboring countries, much smaller than us, even in smaller economies, have overtaken us as a country in participation. And one of the reasons is because we do not have enough equipment, we do not have modern equipment. Madam Speaker, this fund will help us in the following ways. One, it helps our members of our